Yes, I'm not fantastic TV. I have family fantastic TV. So, I got G about for Prato. I have sent about beauty. I have good years some latest and speculations are in Saka or fantastic TV. So, no, and better fantastic TV. I shall forbid my subscribe. Not like now the comment at 2 CFF. Best sponge so in so. Wait me, Afro Director 055 83 10 651 055 83 10 651. Was sponsor show the fair. But we be allowed to be on offer fantastic TV. Wow, a bit in a bit trap. Minimum at the property, I say, maybe a fantastic TV product be out on and a product be out on now. Basic fantastic TV, you know, your bone the way of fantastic TV. So, they are offer director, a bit in a bobo. Latest speculation, the cancel the Kajano and a fantastic TV sports create Nasia, very fantastic TV for. Well, I'm quite week 17 of ongoing Ghana Premier League in Abeneria. Yanko Bobo 1 or 2. Yanko and Yamia Dome Champions League in Baswa, second league. Let's see, say FC Barcelona Bobo could bet Macacobim de Pa de Paris says. Yes, I for one, say Papa Freno. Ronald Akosikuman. So I am Latin, Lano and Remy Secret teaching a Yabono say, you know, Metimaco pay on that for one, so Metimaco chef for me. The name said Killer and Bappel, Lieutenant and Nancy Metimatrans say Messi, Mesha Polopoli and Nidia, and Lennon Crab and Betty, Ablanti, a friend Sylvester. This is a many one, and no other election in Baswa, Ablanti, a friend John Laporte, and taking charge. This is a many more, Ablanti, a friend Sylvester, that they could come to Ditisa, and they are fairly go quite dear. So, we answer, also subscribe to Fantastic TV. Latest, because they can show and they play Fantastic TV as chef for. Let's see, and the Chelsea, Everton, so Bopa, and not for the rock. I wouldn't say, we know your Chelsea, let's start from you. Chelsea, Everton, Bobo Kuno. Thomas Tuchel, if he said Thomas Tuchel, our manager, after so better in China, about 10 matches, we win 8 hours, go 2. And then expect to say, I was Stamford Bridge, you know, or Betty Melusa, and I was saying, we have to us, so and a drone game. Now, Papa Betty Nafa.
Oh, 2 options. Football has 3 options, but Thomas Tuchel, no 2. Win and I draw. Everton team.
So, Everton team.
Everton best air draw. Yes. Chelsea very and that's
why fantastic team in Sylvester no. I see Papa from Thomas Tuchel in Lantern. At least I was Stamford Bridge in the say Everton bound there. At least why are they crown air draw? Minim at Papa friend Adonko so this is a many more with be Stamford Bridge. Abre fantastic TV as for.
When I say Nyami coach
for the first time.
Because Everton for the ball on and I will get Chelsea. A question of late, you possess a ball more.
And I don't know. I said Thomas Tuchel, I said possession wise, and I rise and mean,
maybe say enemy or no style of
Thomas Tuchel. No, PS no possesses out.
Yes,
but after so be play more England, we need the kind of tactics and philosophy about no Benya or Tilly possesses. Liverpool win a possession was shell.
Really a new tactical idea, meaning say, or try and say, it be a farmer. And Everton for now, always be a show beyond, maybe a bishop beyond. Like, it was a game, you're finding it difficult, say, you bet me win. Yeah, draw. It's when you say, or say, I must show or show ye.
As Everton, so 4.
When you're 4 by it was so ye now,
with Chelsea.
Or Coco Bossa,
James was so much anymore in case any chances at any point in time. Or make my share
simple crime. When you say, Master, I may go back to the defensive winner. He's a 4-4-2. I am way 4-4-2. I am way a chili campaign. Drawing Vina, because maybe Everton for the minute you say bit my show.
We need
Everton, dear, because I'm born on the ball of late name.
So, what do you mean predicting?
Meeting predicting. Yeah, draw.
Just mean now, my idea draw.
Maybe they say,
yeah, draw.
Chelsea lose, we need Chelsea fan.
So it means they will win or they will draw.
Yes.
And I was told they said, oh, yeah, and draw. So when you say Thomas Tuchel and Martin,
and the pan, maybe the means of it.
What do you comment about Fantastic TV? Also subscribe to Fantastic channel. Add a comment at us. Thomas Tuchel, our head coach, and what Chelsea will current Everton, and then you name. I'm a Gana who I'm a meaning say after 10 matches, and then we're 11 minutes for the first time. Upon betting a lose you and crab and Manchester Derby. And I don't know what happened to Pep Guardiola. So to be transferred, Ole Gunnar so better say couple of million went to Yanti.
Oh no, because me honey say
penalty be there happy. I don't know. Like Nipo Baku 7 to Bruno Fernandes and Gabriel Jesus. And comment there really said Fernandes is devil and Gabriel is Jesus. Into Jesus Christ move na called Kese devil and that kind of penalty divide. And this comment what here, how do you feel?
Oh, you know, and saying one Jesus, I can say devil.
And I create confusion with Jesus.
Yes.
So it means a some penny pa.
And
before
the game, no. As I'm telling I can say, 2 teams in this season, on BBA, I'm not the boy. So man, you go game at times, you know, who dominating the method now, which me a share. And none happen and run. So what I say? You can't make me the guys
say chess I shall have ever tinting
2
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
2 teams.
I have bet.
Yes.
Right.
Same say we
That's an Muslim or buying a Muslim tactics now.
Same say we
Yes. Oh, maybe
back to Manchester Derby. We can't if you say what both teams, you know, what will dominating midfield now? Where they and I'm man dominating midfield because anytime we are man dominating midfield, piano. Then you see Rashford. I want to Masha. I want to Bruno Fernandes. I 3 players.
Sure.
Yes. So man dominating midfield that. So 4 players. Then you see them everywhere. Pictures by piano. And now I will be punished.
But fantastic. Me when you say man you for winning, and your body be me when you say Pep Guardiola na nkwala no o mutiri mo amene do.
Yeah, I'm not for the race.
Bobby or boy,
but your game which make say game really imagine. But any day
that's the Eddie Carcan before.
So what I said, what very winning before
midfield what determine the winner of the game.
And I'm
psychologically and like I see say
maybe how much no. And like me share Pep Guardiola like match and on them. Me say omo fa say simple game be no more.
That
subscribe to fantastic channel. Also from like no comment. I do video send as answer the account page never seen. Obi the 6-1 answer. It means say Basa bobo kono
go there. Mem who dey so much I will go there the
omo what is that 6-1 no. Meaning I will go there kind of umbrella. And PH bobo kono I don't know. Omo timi ko. I don't think say the same thing happen after see Manchester bobo kono sa ko Paris. I can show you your film.
Yes.
And the more Basa bobo kono that hope say no.
Me say sa film no manya no. Omo no mo say. Happen. Ensin so krada. Ewo ewiase mu ha. Ti mo kuta dem a, ekuta Mbappe.
But me say say.
But me wish ba kwa I know they say Papa Efren Mauricio Sarri. Oye coach bia, won coach anything bia FC Barcelona bobo connection na team a single goal at net. That would be the only history at FC Barcelona bobo ye betim eliminate you.
I say
Barcelona
the point is Barcelona really game in Mauricio Sarri.
Derby.
But goal or they are turning.
Or they are turning net. But I don't really get it. And after 90 minutes, they are points in Barcelona.
Barcelona.
Every
Every Sunday they ban. Barcelona more good game with more happiness. Because what they want, you know, and I say what they are looking for, no, Abba. So what I say, what they are looking for, no, Abba. Say players, you know, 30 no moto, sa Abba na moto yena. Emu 25 every time on a porter because on one they are looking for and waba mameka as a mutual Barcelona game on Buru
breaking news on in seconds FSG rate Jurgen Klopp as the best manager in the world. They rated Jurgen Klopp. Under performance and nowadays our Danadino. I don't know.
Okay.
Say psychological almost for a year to year my name say after so G Champions League Ebeji EPL no na mintimi that
me no
but me no me yagi
because in the whole world starting from Argentina no me
Manchester City was holding a record winning rank 21 oh mo aka na home obi antimi show in the football and at 28 in all competition. Team BN was as about 28 in all competition consecutively and winning now.
It was a record. Judging from is the only manager at Anfield to play 64 matches unbeaten.
My name is see, I don't think what say Warden is Ryan, best coach was Edward Club.
Oh, yeah.
No, meaning to.
The whole latest this year
because even though Hansi Flick this season what is 6 trophies, 2 clubs when I had was as issue a year a season when he 6 trophies, 2 clubs with Barcelona and last season by as a year. So how come you will put you join the club ahead of that no? Me no money agree.
The office and the man
Pep Guardiola.
Oh, that.
They should give it to Pep Guardiola.
Pep Guardiola. Not Pep Guardiola. It has Flick.
But you will comment about fantastic TV.
Pep Guardiola now.
FSG. Everything judging club has best manager in the world. Abrante
not Pep Guardiola.
Pep Guardiola manager. And Manchester City Bobo Kono. I don't go so last. When Jimmy said FSG, I waited judging club a better way. It is when it's best I get to the comments. When I don't go so I but you comment at fantastic TV. So subscribe to fantastic channel. Commenting na do comment ato asefefefe so one semester ya adwen a betim do comment aba o se one omo ya adwen se ono omo nya adwen se ese se ka Pep Guardiola mu na de ma no ade na judge nkrom na omo no mo de
not Pep Guardiola but has Flick.
She be Bayern
coach.
Bayern Liverpool team you work.
But for sure
Bayern coach has Flick. What is 6 trophies last season?
Do you know something? He was
like Champions League.
Do you know something?
What the league?
Don't go for.
What the German?
Let's start from this. He was the assistant manager. He was the assistant coach for Germany.
Yes.
Russia. Russia 2018. He was the assistant, right? And after so much World Cup, buy a 4-pound coach. And I'm going to buy into a just 6 trophies on the road. Into 6 trophies. Record of Pep Guardiola accepted to FC Barcelona. What was the only manager one breaking?
And Guardiola accepted European world team as a
He is the only manager to break all 6 trophies
in the season. To be a Liverpool.
Who can say that? No.
God, the club No. What I say? Tina is a no. Why?
Subscribe. Wow, fantastic TV. Who the comment better one? As I say, Papa, I feel the judging crop now. Young Retino, FSG are written as best manager in the world. We know my agent. Semester so no more agent. I don't go so no more agent. I'm not a friend. Semester. They tell so many agents. Pep Guardiola won't necessarily. And I say Hansi Flick, I head coach. Edmund by a Muchi Bobo Kono. I don't go so no more agent. Need to say, Papa, I feel judging crop no. I saw Liverpool Bobo Kono. But we are not with that. We told them the Champions League. Ana for do omo GEPL no onu omo ya adwen nti se wona do ko ya adwen omo do comment aba ana for Sylvester when Ablante friend Sylvester no analysis man no ya adwen so betum do comment o subscribe to Fantastic TV ana do comment atu of let's see I answer me
I'm out for Champions League on asemi bisi
well yanko Champions League so now can be see week 70 of Ghana Premier League nanke ewuram to that of the Champions League. But one of two nanka mbeti mi ala kwa.
So far so good. We are Ghana team so my idea a league without sponsor. That's na mutimi a boy be same me na obi an complaining here. Say be a wonye sika. So far Alhaji Buza na me say Matis no complaining kakra or no akasa no say
yeah, you have to complain because most of no supporters there. You have to give something. No, I never pay.
Or so it is one man team be. But one man team is what team in sa. Best sponsors, and one best sponsor with team no na move you on.
When you so also my supporters in class supporters no kwa anu munye bibi right. It is all my supporters in kwa. It's so mo bibi because when you can face ana asa na kwato komom ade COVID-19 ba wiase o. Ele o yaso na ye ya na TSC.
Na sa say boy your boy match sa supporters.
That's who from Mususka. To match say GFA so this is no be Mususka mo nya.
Your beji
fantastic. That's like Karim Zito. Inshallah boys. No, Karim Zito is not complaining. Sorry, I like the Karim Guisa. Won't complaining. You know, I'm interested in complaining. No, say Scanaba dia will be a better. But I'm interested in say you yes,
or since what you say the team no. This is the team no. Omo kwa away matches are. almost because in a whole
because say free Accra, Apple, Takwa. Look at the kind of fuel you spend. I don't know, but don't be and that's what I say. Come on, when you are
80% the second person that would be
or on first process, but
I like to do that quoting now.
See, I'm studying what I say, so what is on Copa?
Be a Copa.
And Juniorska, Unia J. Finger, and
80% of man
sponsor to no focus on games that we are for relegation.
No.
What's our relegation? They are the Corona relegation. Oh, but the bed in class of us.
Because you see, Saturday she wants to say, Massa, a proper ball on Massa, Diablo, question on Mamma.
Breaking news, I'm saying I'm not sure. We Liverpool in our maybe will be subscribe to the fantastic channel. Now breaking news today. Only fantastic TV when they break it for the first time. Judge Club a bit not by 48 hours. Because performance are nowadays or then the Liverpool and no
on one is a year of a soccer. Germany team of a
Dortmund.
The German national team number so maybe so now
German national team no what should the philosophy what do one so team
simple
what you club
papa so
to work below as I say work below if you want to
fast
I don't know after say Hansen Flick away assistant coach no kwa me hu ade bia ko na timi aye let me say people were saying say Hansen Flick go na dey chance here adwuma no
say adene
and won nti e so mo ji
adene dey bet na say master no wo bet assistant
you dey agile philosophy ni baba no
master and that Ghana have assistant coach so many
when you Liverpool fan now breaking news wey there only fantastic TV enkwa na won sabeka by the end of 48 hours no papa aye friend the judge crop no anhwa papa na betima ma ne letter so nkofi na adanko ma bia no modi enso nkan a wasan aba bepem oyipem abeso Liverpool boboku na coach say pumpom at times me mfuaso
or like me who say or no so when you fly them say
the reason is
when you fly them say man stay
30 years now he was the only manager
but
the league was champions
well
what did you say
I said I buy your budget to
if say why now who company
Zidane that why you for Champions League
okay
what did you better okay
but so ko wa saba
yeah bi on so ko
perfect way on yeah no me won say oh
yeah I say on suye ma adwene nyesa adwene no suye no mo but on say on anti o ko ohun
well na be yemra mo Champions League ni kakra ni ehun e chanyame aboma Champions League second league and Wednesday e baso minim FC Barcelona bobo ko kwa ko pemo Parc des Princes Paris Saint-Germain Atletico de Madrid and Atlanta bobo ko no so no ebe to Real Madrid bobo ko no ni say first Real Madrid e ko to a omo iti we kwa show e kaba ko mantini antim adabraka and Richard Moncheka be Manchester City bobo ko no so no ni Man City e dika ko bo mu 2-1 awon dey betima ka say e be Manchester City bobo ko ndie mo dika qualify but in football there the game betimi asi
some match the Pep Guardiola want me minia or some sacking
Lazio si bobo ko na by Munchi ba banya nkwa dey betima ka say on there for the first time obi o ma qualify because omo kwa away e ko win 4-1 and Sevilla bobo ko no so transfer Borussia Dortmund e be show mo 3-2 and bobo ko frano Porto echi Juventus e show mo 2-1 but that game is going to be a big game
what
Pepe and
that games you know Juve and Porto
but let's see 80 Madrid ni Chelsea bobo ko no well na me start from so PSG bobo ko no ni FC Barcelona bobo ko no
o de me tackle me say Juve and Porto two teams you know Porto
what have fantastic team wait my subscribe Abrante friends semester teach some many more yes who pass you better and Chacha professional
yes
subscribe to fantastic TV teach some many more better do comment at us
Abrante on form pen and paper entrance
fantastic TV would have pen teach some many more and so teach bet
Chacha we
Chacha no to no medical we debate 5,000 Ghana no to no see
Chacha professional team for pen natural
yes
you make an natural for betting company bia go say your draw na kutwa ne sa ayi scam what mama sha say Juve and Porto will qualify Juve will be
Porto will qualify
because say we really own the hope So what I say 2-1. Yes, probably no. Porto ever to Reno. Obi o kama ti bien tie me. What man Porto? Yes, Obi say
what so to me say come do. Na come
me. I'm not talking of say.
I see the old ladies of Syria mom.
FC people say the old ladies of Syria. Now old ladies of Syria I say. Or the old ladies of Syria I say. Now into old ladies never to check. We are talking about football on the field of play. See me. Do betima win. But I'm not talking about Reno. I'm talking about qualification. So what I say? Say Juventus ni o person Juve bobo ko qualify no say win ni
into be try
Juve will win.
We analysis now yes prediction
Juve will win. Juve win no very win no. It's only as the see or Porto for home. One goal different pendulum. It's either 1-0, 2-1 to extra time and penalties. And I said 3-2. Now Juve free.
So fantastic.
So I just
say Juve free.
Yes. Because of our 2 goals, only at 1 goal. It's either 1-0, Juve out. 2-1, near extra time to penalties.
Okay, so
3-2, Juve out. If you Juve they are very winning, more qualified.
Fantastic. Into the one of the Juventus out.
Yes.
Out of the Champions League.
But very winning game, no, unqualified. Yeah, Sevilla Dortmund. Dortmund will win and qualify.
Fantastic.
Dortmund will win and not qualify.
Fantastic. It is Obi fantastic team up and bet also. One point is double chance and now over 3.5.
Oh, over 3.5 because Dortmund more goals.
More than 4 goals.
Yes.
What is Sevilla na common?
What is Sevilla na common?
Lazio to Bayern Munich.
Over. Sad to say. Even 3 plus more goals in this.
Fantastic.
Bayern very.
Atletico de Madrid, the Chelsea.
Atletico Madrid any Chelsea no.
That day, you know, basic analysis. Thomas to share any.
First league, you know. Oh, I was like, I'm a team for next time, you know, me the picture about the team. Oh, so share. First league, you know, not Thomas Tuchel a possessive game, you know. So it will maybe 10 players. All Atletico players, including Luis Suarez. No, on my line now. All boxing.
So that formation then. Pablo Simeone no.
All defense, all attacking.
Wow. So no about 6-3-1.
Yes. All 10 players in here, no one line up. Oh, I will show the picture to you. All players in here.
Fantastic TV.
All players in here.
Formation Pablo Simeone boy.
All players in here.
Thomas to share. After some Nancy TV now, one goal.
Game.
Tactical way no more.
Almost is our game.
Tactical analysis.
And this time I'm back in the second league.
Okay.
Second league, you know. Yes,
over 18 Chelsea 2. Jorginho on the second goal.
I said it.
So now,
so I was about team for the team for Chelsea team. So at the main people, also Chelsea baby. Also no chance.
Also the chance that you want to watch fantastic TV. Tell them now subscribe to fantastic TV.
Yes.
Latest anymore. Open so debate billions of TV.
Professional.
What they want to school we na to man ya. Oh, they subscribe to fantastic TV. Then now. Their program proud of manager director say oh, I don't want the program. Because of Chacha.
Remember
Chelsea. I say Chelsea baby. I say over 1.5. Over 1.5 per year bro. 70 minutes 2 to subscribe to fantastic TV. Latest we they cancel they can net transfer fantastic TV. They better fantastic TV before.
Atletico will qualify.
Wow.
Atletico very.
They will knock Chelsea out of the Champions
League.
Oh, you're better outside.
Atletico will qualify.
You're better outside. The man making a prediction.
And Mönchengladbach and Man City, right?
Yes. Michel Mönchengladbach.
It's Chelsea Atletico be
Chelsea Atletico. Oh, qua. And two goal difference in the it's either 2-0, 3-1, 4-2. For Atletico. 2-0, 3-1, 4-2. For Atletico. 2 goals different.
Then the last game.
All time.
Boys.
I mean, Barcelona team now, they are going in the happiest way. Because what medical what they want. I mean, and Medina line up straight. game so bi o team bia since bet road to turn out to met me line up am a chief work and the same as 352 and I'm pursuing a ball and team bia say pursuing about 352 PSG for very followers you can say team be a follower just one lose possession PSG go lose possession and anytime you obey the ball and Barcelona so follow ya show so who di ball like maybe I want to be who follow Barcelona for who review on the show because if you know they are more and that game we know tactics have 3-5-2 no Messi and I can say tactics in Messi handle tactics and he says ball no won't feel why on said players on Metaki Frankie de Jong in midfield no Busquets in drag ya Abadachi into either PK or Lenglet or me winding apple 3-2 no now Busquets a mission free then we have 3 defenders Dest and a Jordi will move forward Apple coming forward so I say midfield in base 6 because Messi a free ball Dembele will start with Messi attacking rule Messi a free ball have a shame free ball I'm midfield 96 it's me for 96 no 2 and 3 PSG so better drag ball money so mo drag ball money man say Messi and Frankie de Jong you can say attack will be able to attack Messi and Frankie de Jong because what Frankie de Jong will do no Messi beat me 10 times so what I say it's you know attacking Messi and Frankie de Jong a create space and Frankie de Jong into 2 and 3 that's and I said Jordi about put a ball now Frankie de Jong like or free ball ba be do hono the attack machine about running to Frankie de Jong na Messi Messi so create space ama Dembele sa don't see me bia sa
say obi here fantastic TV no per score line na or for travel
4 goals difference
4 goals difference
the American goals difference no as a Chelsea them Messi say Messi 2 goals difference so what I say the American goals difference Messi Barca Omoba Camp Nou 3 goals difference in them. But we need 4 goals difference. 4 goals difference. Barca very winning. Barca 4 goals difference.
Only I want to go away and I'm more than mouse score lines.
Porto Juventus.
Obisha, Porto Juventus, Juve, or number 4.
Fantastic. Oh, you're not going Juventus 4. Sevilla, Borussia Dortmund.
Sevilla,
Borussia Dortmund.
Dortmund beat Marseille 2 goals.
Fantastic. Lazio, Bayern Munich.
Lazio, Bayern Munich, the Bayern baby, by M. Koya Biblisa.
AC Madrid, Chelsea.
Chelsea Besha 3.
Fantastic.
So I have fantastic TV, you know. Prediction will be at home. Did you say any more?
But
you have fantastic TV.
Obisu hwe me a match and goals be piem pa. Basa.
But there's some about
Basa
Atalanta. Any Real Madrid, Atalanta Real Madrid.
Yes. Atalanta and Madrid. Mami can't tell Madrid for them. They are joking.
Wow.
Because first leg, you know, Atalanta dominated game ni na. Omo Bobby Bia, they won everything. All those are the red cards still. Omo Madrid for tough time.
Atalanta boy say the PSG for the Barca.
Omo tough time.
Omo Barca.
And Mami can't say 10 against 11. Look at how they play. Now on Bobo, it was just I give the same car. I'm ball equally 11 now and comparing the Madrid. So what I say? And you know Atlanta will win.
Wow. Well, last one, PSG FC Barcelona.
PSG FC Barcelona. Me dey so that we falla we show me a match no go chat PSG straight win.
Fantastic.
PSG be win match. It's simple.
Excellent.
On my shape crowd be 3.
So, officer, Barcelona Bubu couldn't start to say after so one casa home grounds. You can push it forward.
They say I mean your mom who need your matia. Or money I jump more, say more match with happiness.
Nankawuna after say proper the way. What was the I'm not sure 2 days. No, I come back, but she's in the field.
Yes.
Going to be for Sevilla. Going to be for Sevilla.
Say I come back with 3-0.
3-0.
That's how we need 3-0.
Fast match.
Anna, how much Osasuna Bubu could show 2-0.
Onya, young pong. PSG, no need to go low.
Why fantastic TV? You better subscribe to Fantastic TV. subscribe like na do comment at all nothing me did some money more respect then cancel then can jam on the ato fantastic TV and for the bet tips no also no on the ato on the semester did some money more to extra there I think the bet na month for best swat time just we go on the carpet see above me and point and so wow fire wa ko cha bet na me can say the what the bet no I don't go did some money more meaning so remember the go ko ni dia meaning was say basoro go ko na monya free the last time I saw basoro go ko the Champions League I had to in the year 2015 Papa Luis Enrique in a team Barcelona